Selling your home involves several critical steps, and the home inspection process is one of the most important. Here's what you need to know. Consider getting a pre-listing inspection to identify and address any issues before listing your home. This can help you avoid surprises and potentially speed up the sales process. Repairs and upgrades addressing major issues found in the pre-listing inspection can make your home more appealing to buyers. Focus on repairs and upgrades that provide a good return on investment. Disclosures: be transparent about any known issues. Full disclosure can build trust with potential buyers and prevent problems down the line. Once you accept a buyer's offer, they will typically schedule their own inspection. Be prepared for this by ensuring your home is clean, accessible, and all utilities are on. The buyer's inspection might reveal issues that lead to negotiation. Be open to negotiating repairs or price adjustment to keep the sale on track. If the buyer requests repairs, decide which ones you are willing to address. Ensure that any agreed upon repairs are completed professionally and in a timely manner. Ready to sell your home with confidence, or know someone that is thinking of selling? Contact me today or get a comprehensive plan to ensure that your home inspection process is smooth and successful. Let's make your home sale a breeze. Bye for now.